Too easy. There we have him. Nugget. Yeah. Oh. Huh? Yeah. That's good. He's so good though. Come on! Go, 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 go! Nej, i rå. I rum.
Nej, jag kände ju bara, jag körde över sidan här.
Ah.
Ja man.
Ja.
Let's go!
Aj.
Ja man.
Hello dude.
Let's go dude.
Oh fucking hell.
Wait, strap upp.
Oh, man.
Där.
But it's not. It's.
You could.
Look. I need to ride faster. Oh. Whoa. Super sketchy. Oh, what happened here? Bit too much. That guy knows how to ride. Ah, fucking hell.
Let's go dude.
Come on, dude. Come on.
Come on lad.
Let's go. Oh my fucking shit.
Tänker bara det.
Murderous mind state, can't keep my nine straight. Sipping on this Hennessy, waiting for the time to break. Show up and motherfuckers bow down, recognize West Side Death Row, outlaw riders, untouchable mob of pistol packers, well-known fellas labeled for drugs, selling merciless jackets. Forever buzz roll with thugs and dogs, commence to letting off rounds, been escaping the fog. Who wanna see me solo? Catch Machiavelli while he's sleeping. My mini 14 murdering niggas while they creeping. Double you ass out, drink till you pass out, and here they die, drunk driving in my glass house. Niggas is under me.
Helvete, alltså klarar det helt sjukt. Tjenare. Va? Helvete vad slött de kör.
Ja, det gick inte undan här eller vad?
Nej, fan inte.
Nej.
Det... Come on. Åk förbi dem bara. Nej. Övningskör kanske är. I don't get the brake control like he does. The brake control. Look. Alltså, du är sjuk i huvudet alltså. Du är sjuk i huvudet. Jo. Right? Ja. But it was a really fun day to ride with my boy Nugget. So yeah, I'm trying to save up to a big bike. So yeah, I will not sell these because they're just great. I love this one. I love Zero. And comment what I should get.